Hello folks, this is Hector from Hector's Coins. Welcome back to my video, and I wanted to show you guys what I found from my last box. Remember, the last video I did was on $25 on a new box of pennies, and this is what I resulted in. Here is a 1918, 1948 P, 48D, 1950 51S, two of them, 54, 56, 56D, three of those, a 57, 57s, 58s, 59s galore, 61s, and a 1961 that's really pretty. And then I have 64s. I'll tell you why. These came up during the initial box when I opened it. You can see all the dates on there. 82s because they're copper and they're really nice, uncirculated. 89s, 95s, 97s, in really good shape. And then we get down to 2018s. And then here is something unusual. I found 9 dimes in the box, including what looks like a faucet screen, a 2-cent euro, a 1-cent Canadian 1972, and then when I rechecked some of the loose coins, I found these 2009 4 log cabins, 2 Lincoln on a log, him in the legislature. And on this side of this, there's a 1973 at the top. Really good shape. And I thought, wow. So I started going through them again, and I found all these from 1982, 81, 91, 93. And they're all in good shape. Mostly uncirculated. For some of these coins being over 21 years old or 22 years old. And the one over here on the top, 1973. In really good shape, uncirculated on both sides. And then right here I found 2 unusual ones. I have to look under a more powerful magnifying glass. And then I'm returning all these are shields. Those are all memorials. This is a load of 1960 plain, which is Philadelphia, all the way to 1969, plain S and Ds. Then I looked at what I'm going to do is with Couch Collectibles and also Bull Ridge. Both of them gave me the information on looking at 92 close AMs and wide AMs. The rarest being 1999 Philadelphia wide AM. That's in this stack. The next stack is nothing but 70s. I kept those because of the copper. And you see another very good uncirculated 1970s. Can't tell what it is right now. These are all pre-82s and some 83s. And I broke it down like this. 1980 to 83, 154 pennies, 195 of the 1970s, 192 of the 1992, 1998, 2000s, 55 of the 60 to 69s, and 800 memorials, and 1,049 of the shields. Well, that is a makeup of my last box, and I still have to go through some errors. What I found out also was that the Lincoln Memorial has 7 different types of varieties. I can only imagine, but I can go through and learn some more. Anyway, I thought I'd give you guys a chance to look at my collection. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Whenever you guys get a chance, send me some information on what you found. Like always, thank you for looking. Welcome to shop. And if you do shop, make an offer on anything you see on here that I have doubles of. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.